She isn't always the most beautiful or the funniest person in the room, yet somehow everything just seems to go a little more smoothly for her. The barista already knows her favorite order. Teachers smile the moment they see her. People instinctively hold the door open, and strangers quickly apologize if they accidentally bump into her. She's the first person people invite, the first one they help, the first one they seem to notice. Meanwhile, you've been standing there for what feels like forever, wondering if somehow you've become invisible. What's interesting is that you've probably met a version of her everywhere you've been. Different schools, different jobs, different friend groups. Yet somehow there is always someone just like her. So what is it about her that makes people naturally treat her differently? And is it really something that only she possesses? Welcome, or welcome back, to Boss Babe Blueprint. Today, we're diving into something that's been taking over TikTok recently. Now, before you think she's probably just prettier, hold on for a second, because that's not really it. It isn't simply pretty privilege. It isn't main character energy, and it definitely isn't some mysterious feminine aura. The reality is actually much more fascinating than that. Psychologists have spent years studying this phenomenon, and what they've discovered is surprisingly straightforward. People don't only react to who you are, they react to the version of yourself that you present before you've even spoken a single word. Once you truly understand this, you'll never look at that girl the same way again. Let's begin with the one characteristic that almost every her seems to share. She isn't trying to prove herself to anyone. Think about Serena van der Woodsen from Gossip Girl. Whenever Serena enters a room, people naturally notice her. She isn't the loudest person there, and she isn't trying to make everyone like her. Most of the time, she's simply being herself. Yet conversations pause, heads turned, and people are naturally drawn toward her. They want to talk to her. They want to know more about her. Was Serena flawless? Of course not. She made plenty of mistakes throughout the series, but she rarely behaved as though she needed everyone else's approval just to exist. She carried a quiet confidence. She moved through the world as though she belonged there, whether people approved of her or not. That's exactly what made her magnetic. That's the her effect. It isn't about walking into a room believing you're better than everyone else. It's about entering a room without feeling like you have to earn your place there. Because the moment you stop looking for permission to take up space, people slowly stop acting as though they're the ones who get to grant it.